Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to easily remove watermarks from your PDF documents for free. Very easy and very simple. Now I've gone to this website here to find a bunch of PDF documents with some sample watermark, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and download one of them so that you can see it in real time me doing this. So I'm going to take this one for example, as it says secret. So let's go ahead and download this example here, and as you can see the document there has the watermark on it. So I'm going to simply hit the download button here, and I'm going to simply save this into my storage there in my download folder. Now what you want to do guys, in order to remove this, you want to simply head over to your Google Drive here, and as you can see I just created a folder by the name of test here within my Google Drive here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload that file that I just downloaded here to this folder so that it's easy to do. And that's what you want to do. You want to upload this file to your Google Drive, and once you do that, just simply go ahead and right click on the file. You want to open it with Google Docs. Now once you open this with Google Docs guys, you will be able to easily remove that watermark, and as you can see there, it is there. So you can simply highlight it, boom, and you can simply go ahead and remove it. And that's all you have to do guys. That's the easiest way, or you can easily go ahead and remove watermark from the document. Now once you do that, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and hit file, and you can simply go ahead and you can download it as a PDF. Again, as you can see there, you can download the file as PDF, and there you have it. Now I'm going to open up the file, and here you can see this is the document without the watermark. And if I open up the other file with the watermark, you can see that this file also has the watermark. I will move it here. So this is the document with the watermark, and this is the one without the watermark. So that's easy. And if you also go back to your Google Drive folder, it should also make a copy. As you can see there are the two copies there for you that you can easily do. So you can do this guys for any one of the files, any document that you may have with watermarks. You can easily go ahead and do it. I'm going to go ahead and do a second example for you so that you can see it as well. This is another one with like a star there, so we can go ahead and we can try that as well. I'm going to show you as well so that it's working and it's 100% working and free to do. So the second file here guys, I'm going to drag it into my Google Docs here. So I'm going to drag this file here, and as you can see I now have the second file. So this is the second file. So I'm going to right click on this file here, and I'm going to simply open up this file with the Google Doc as well. So let me go ahead and wait for it to load here. And here you can see guys that the file is loaded without the watermark. So there are cases guys that you will find the picture with the watermark, as you can see, and there are cases where you will have to just simply remove the text manually. But as you can see, this one here, it had the picture here with the star in the background, but it is opened without that picture here, so it's automatically removed. And as you saw the first example, I had to simply do a backspace or highlight the word in order to remove it. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple. Or you can remove watermarks for free, very easy and safely, by simply uploading them to Google Drive and simply opening it within Google Docs. And from there you can easily go ahead, click file, and you can simply click download, and you can download back that file within a PDF. Very easy and very simple.